Align the feeder side guides for the proper media size. Leave a dime's width between the side guide and the envelope. Now tighten down the feeder side guides. Place the envelopes on the green belts of the feeder. Align the envelopes so that the flap enters the machine last. Advance the feeder until 4 to 5 envelopes are under the feed roller. Now in IQ, begin the print job. Ensure that the envelope's glue is rated for laser printing. Using other envelopes can gum up the fuser and exit assembly.